here's a celebrity insider that's trending this week. After her latest releases, fans and insiders are now speculating that Olivia Rodrigo might be shifting her sound toward a more mature rock direction. There's a ton of TikTok song evolution content right now, where clips of her recent live vocals are being compared to rock styles, and people are debating whether this is intentional or just fan interpretation. Nothing's officially announced, but the conversation has blown up on social media this week, and fans are already remixing and sharing their thoughts.